Vybz Kartel and Spice flipped your Miss Independent record.
Yeah.
Did you clear it?
I didn't not clear it.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And happy Monday morning to everybody. Happy Monday morning. Alright, you don't know, I'm going to take the time frame. Big up Father God, so we have life. And as well as that video, people, hot. So I'm going to just click in the like button and click in the subscribe button immediately, people. Alright, so you don't see it, Neyo. Him still a talk about Vybz Kartel and Spice, people. So I don't know, after 13 years, the man still depend these people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drop the little snippet of the interview so we can go through it, and then we're gonna come back and have a reason. So basically I say the whole ramping shop thing, him never have nothing to do with it. When time Vybz Kartel and Spice song they get banned, him did say that already, but him resurface. So we're gonna just get a next preview, people. Stay with me.
Vybz Kartel and Spice flipped your Miss Independent record.
Yeah.
Did you clear it?
I didn't not clear it.
But the streets cleared it. The streets cleared it.
The streets cleared it right away, which made it virtually impossible for me to not clear it, even if I was thinking about not clearing it, which, by the way, I was never thinking about not clearing it.
That's Vybz Kartel.
I'm saying.
Spice.
First and foremost, before the song was presented to me, the concept of Vybz Kartel and who he was presented to me. Like, this is that dude.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, he did this with your song. It was presented to me like that. So I'm like, so what are we talking about right now? Of course it's fine. Why would I have a problem with this?
Right.
To this day, I can't be over there and perform Miss Independent without giving props to what the fuck he did. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's real shit.
We made it.
Yeah,
brought it back
man.
to life.
Yeah, man. Like, you created a whole nother vibe and essence off of the shit that I was trying to do. Like, I gotta give you love for that.
Yeah, man, my people. So that's the interview, and that's a little snippet of me I go run with over here on Jamaican Chat. And basically, people, you have it right there. Neyo, after 13 years, still on Vybz Kartel, Spice, Ramping Shop, and he's pretty much saying that he didn't have anything to do with the cease and desist order that was done, because you know that a few years ago, Vybz Kartel did get a cease and desist order on this same track, right? And he had to change the rhythm. He had to do a lot of tweaks in order for it to continue to be played on radio worldwide and so on. So Neyo basically I come forward now and I say him never have nothing to do with that. Him also say whenever Ramping Shop play, Miss Independent play as well. So I'm basically I say anytime Kartel song play, theme song play too. You understand? So him no know why anybody that think he'd have a problem with that. But anyway, people are years after the fact now, and Neyo can come out and say anything what him want say, because it done gone already. You understand? But anyway, people, uno tell me what uno think. You don't think him did do the cease and desist request back then, and then just a come and try play it off now, or what? Anyway, people, this is where I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the morning. I'm gonna big up everybody for joining me here today on Jamaican Chat, and anybody who had touched the road, safe travel, pon the gravel. Big up.